It is Saturday, September 20th. Let's take a look at the balcony. I got two nice-sized tomatoes coming. And my eggplant keeps flowering, but I don't get any vegetables. I got jalapenos. And I got a bunch of green peppers growing and more coming. So that's exciting. My herbs are doing all right. My peppermint and the chocolate mint, it didn't like the neem treatment that I gave it, just to be safe for bugs, so I'm trying to bring it back. The rest of the herbs are doing well. I thought my okra was finished, and look, I got a flower. Look at something. Blueberries okay, and this little straggly tomatoes plant is still producing a little bit. Let me pop that little one off. Swiss chard. Here's that one little tomato I just plucked off the vine. There's nothing as sweet as an organically grown cherry tomato.